It is cold here in Montana. Probably like single digits, and just trying to train here. I moved to Montana last January thinking I would train here for a couple months and then go out and compete in the Barkley Marathons and then go on to attempt the record on the Pacific Crest Trail and the Appalachian Trail. But COVID struck. My plans and Maggie's plans were all canceled. So I remained in Montana for the majority of the year due to COVID. And Montana's rugged. It snows a lot. Snow doesn't disappear. It gets down to the single digits pretty often. And it just makes it hard to want to go outside. The days are short, the winter's long, the spring is tough, and even when it is a sunny day, the snow just turns to ice. It's become really hard to train here. Deja vu, one more winter of training, another winter of hoping the Barkley Marathons happen and really giving them my best shot. I first moved to Montana about a year ago. There was no talk of a pandemic or COVID back then. So I'd lap the same hill over and over again. Just ran myself into the ground. And then the Barkley Marathons ended up being canceled. My second winter in Montana, and it's like deja vu. It is cold out here. I am training, but really today I don't feel like much more than just a strong hike with a little bit of running. But man, it is cold, probably single digits. It's snowing right now. Tough times. In the snowy 25-degree weather of Montana, it is pretty, but you have to work for every bit of beauty you see out here. It's rugged. Most of the trails don't have any cell service. They all have snow. Running is a very slow endeavor. Oh, just on a long run in the snow. Probably gained 2,500 feet. Filled up my water bottle, #NoFilter, and then I'm gonna climb up there. I'm at 15 miles and gonna get to about 20. Here we go. training in a harsh winter environment. It's my second winter in Montana and third one at altitude. Each year I've gotten in the best shape of my life by late March or April. Sun's going down, it's getting cold, sweat is freezing on my hair. Training for Barkley basically means you climb up as fast as you can, and then you run down, and then you repeat. So, right now I'm on the run down, and then I will cross the closed road covered in snow. Whether it's out of habit, optimism, or just hope, I'm getting in shape again this year. Hopefully we can do things. Just training in the snow here. It's pretty deep. I ran this same route a few days ago. Now I'm doing it and just adding some miles to it. Because each time up the hill, supposedly you get stronger. Or something like that. It's probably an old Greek fable or something. Man, I think I love this, but it's also really hard.